We start with we will follow the algorithm. So, the best way is you can download the slide of Professor Tom Mitchell, and then you can look at the algorithm and try to follow. But in the case that you don't use the slide, you can follow me, and I'll try to explain you in more natural language. Okay. So at the first stage, we must have the most specific one, the S0. The S0, of course, it is the null hypothesis that accept nothing. And then we have the G0. G0 is the one that is most general, that is cover everything. Okay, so cover nothing here and cover everything here. So that is the first, the first step that we will initialize both set of hypotheses. It is different from find S, so we'll maintain a list of the hypothesis. So we'll keep S and G to be a set. So guys, at the first one, it is the positive one. So this positive is same as the one that we had in the previous example. Okay, so we have four examples. So guys, look at this. In the first stage, of course, this is a positive one. So the function of the positive one is to maintain the S, the most specific one. So you did it many times, right? So we have to change, like S1 will be a set of this value: sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, and same. This one is S1, and guys, G1. If this is a positive one, so we don't use the positive to exclude, right? To be excluded from G. So in this example, G1 is same as G0 because this is a positive one. It's still covered, so we have nothing to do. Okay, so the next one is S2, same as the one that we did before, right? Sunny, sunny and sunny, so it will be sunny. Okay, warm and warm, still same, right? So we don't have anything to do. Normal and high, we have to change, right? We have to change normal into don't care, so it can cover both normal and high. Strong and strong, strong and strong, same, right? Strong and strong, warm and warm. So this one is warm and same and same. So S2 will be like the one that we did with S, find S, right? So in G2 will be same as G1 because this is the positive one. Now guys, so the next example is the negative one. In the negative one, if the S2 if the S2 if the S2 is, of course, this one, it, it doesn't cover the negative one, so it's okay. So we don't need to do anything with S2. But if it cover S2, it means that we cannot find the answer. Okay. So the function of the negative one, we have to change this set. We have to make it like the smallest step to to specialize this one. Okay, the minimal specialization that we can make this to this one to exclude this example. So guys, it is like G3 will be, guys, look at this, don't care, cover rainy for sure, right? So if we change don't care into something that actually we have to find all values and check that if still it cover S2. But I can tell you in natural language and much more easier that we have to change we have to change we have to change this don't care, right? So we have to change it to be more specific. So the value that can be used is the values from set S. Why? Because if we use the constant, or if we use the values from all possible values or all possibilities, of course other values cannot cover the example x1 and x2, because we've learned these values from these two examples, right? So the best one is you have to select the constant values from set S. Okay, so you have to use it. So guys, look at this. So the smallest steps is to change the first don't care into sunny and leave everything same as the previous one. Just change the first one into sunny, and this one, of course, doesn't cover doesn't cover this example, right? Because this is sunny and this one is rainy. So you can exclude this negative example already, right? So this is the first hypothesis that we can use, right? So next one is, guys, look at this. Can we change this one into warm? And can we exclude this example, the cold one? Can we? We can change this one into warm to exclude cold. Is that okay? If this is okay, you can change it. So look at this. We can change the second attributes from don't care into warm to exclude the third one. Okay, so now we finish with two hypotheses. Guys, next, don't care and high. Can we change? Can we change don't care to don't care? So nothing to do, right? Nothing to do, because we cannot change. If we change don't care to don't care, nothing change. So we leave it like this. Okay, for the third one. For the fourth one, if we change don't care to strong, what happened? Can we exclude this one? No, we cannot exclude, right? If we change the fourth one to strong, we cannot exclude this one, right? So we don't use it. If we change the fifth one into warm, can we exclude this warm? No. So we will leave it. We don't use it. But the last one, if we change this don't care into same, can we exclude change? Yes, we can exclude. So guys, now we will change the last one. So I will shift this one to the left. So I will change this one to the left and add one more, and add one more, and one more set. Okay, do we have any y here? I don't know. Sunny should be this y. And the last one is we will change the last attribute. So we will change it from, guys, we will change it from don't care to same to exclude this change. So we will change it to same, and we'll check that this one is the G3. And for the more specific one, of course, it doesn't cover the third one. So S3 will be same as S2. Okay, and the last one, S4, we have to, this is a positive one, right? The last example, this is the positive one. So we will use this example to change the values in S3. Sunny and sunny, still same, right? Warm and warm, still okay. High and don't care, it's okay. Strong and strong is still okay. Warm and cool, so we have to change, right? So S4 will be sunny, same as the previous one, right? Warm, don't care, strong will be same, right? And this warm, this warm will be changed, right? Because this is cool, right? So you have to make it to be able to cover this example. So we make it don't care. And the last one, same and change. So you have to change it to this don't care. So S3 is like this. And the last function is, let's look at this. We will use, sorry, I would like to move this down a little bit. Okay, because I want to add G4. G4 must be the one that covered the 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 last example. Guys, Sunny can cover this one, right? So we will keep this one. Can you remember? We have to remove the one that inconsistent with this example. So inconsistent means that for the positive one, G doesn't cover the positive, mean it inconsistent with this example. So for the next one, can you see the warm one? The warm one can cover this one, right? So we will keep it. So this one will be don't care and warm, and don't care, don't care, don't care, and don't care. Okay, so the last one, look at this. We have don't care, don't care, don't care, don't care, and don't care, and the last one is same, but this one is changed. So you have to make it cover this one, but because this is the most general one and it doesn't cover this one, so we have to remove this from our G set, our set G. So we remove it. So finally, we will have S4 and G4 like this. Okay, so this clip is a little bit long, but I'll tell you, once we have this set of G and S, now we can find that. Okay, now this one is the one that we can find from our example. This is the G set and this is the S set. So there are something between this G and S that is something that is more general than G and more general than S but more specific than G. Like this one, sunny. And if we add the strong values to this one will be, this one is more specific than this one, right? So we have an arrow from more general one to more specific, the general to more specific one, like this. And sunny, and if we add warm from this, okay, from this set into this hypothesis, so it will be this one. So this hypothesis is more specific than this and general than this. So we have two new hypotheses that more general than S and more specific than G. That is, you can say that these two are like between G and S. How about the last one? Warm, and of course there is one sunny, right? But sunny and warm are in this hypothesis already. So we have warm and strong. We have warm and strong. So we can change this value into strong from here from here. So guys, this hypothesis is, of course, this one is more specific than this one and more general than this one. So we have three hypotheses that they are in between G and S. So guys, I hope that you can get the idea of how can the version space works. Okay, so of course I will show you more example in the live session. So guys, see you in the live session.